Hi, Einstein, London Universite do Asia. This is Rosana Manalastas, and this is in response to my orientation assignments, wherein I have to answer certain questions. There are actually four questions that I need to be answering. The first one is, when do you remember learning a new word? I cannot remember exactly when did I learn the first word, the first ever word that I learned, but I will just mention the most recent when I was still working in French school in Kenora, Ontario. It's asitwa, which means you sit. So I I remembered this word until now. Actually, I remember this word because most of the actually all of the teachers who are working in that school use this word. I mean, it's not a word; it's a phrase. You sit, or just sit. Asi. So yeah. So when it's repetitive and it's common, you can that helps you remember a new word, right? So yeah, until now I'm using that in my current job with my students. The second question was or is, uh, what are your personal superstitions? Um, Personally, I think the only superstitious belief that I am believing in is every time you are moving into a new place, for example, a new house or a new apartment, just like with what we did, you should always bring with you, or the first things that you should be, uh, you know, uh, bringing inside with you are containers which are filled with sugar, rice, salt, and water. So they believe that, or we believe that, when you do this, this will help you to become prosperous as you embark on your new journey, or living in your new apartment or in your new house. Um, well, personally, I still believe that you still need to be working wise, you know, working smart in order for you to be successful. And another thing that I believe in, I don't know if you will consider this as a superstitious belief, because it's already a law, which means that everybody agreed and everybody believed in this universal law of attraction, which basically states that whatever your mind can conceive, you can achieve it. So that's how powerful our brain is, our mind is. When you set your mind into something, that will actually happen. So, in line with that, we should always be positive, no matter, regardless of the situation. You should always be positive, and knowing that a God, our God, or, my God, our God, um, is always there to guide us, and have faith in His, doing, that His plans are really good for us. So yeah, those are the things that I personally believe in. The number three question is, what would you like to, what would you ask to Queen Elizabeth and Prince Charles? It would be an honor, to be able to be talking with or speaking with two of the most powerful people in the world. But if I will be given an opportunity to ask a question to Queen Elizabeth, I would ask that, you know how was she able to manage and become successful in handling such a big responsibility. We know that she's not just a regular, she's not just a president. she's the queen, which means that her sovereignty surpasses not only country but most of the European countries, even Canada. She's being honored by Canada. So how was she able to become successful in dealing with this governance and things like that? And to Prince Charles, I would ask, as as an heir to the throne, how does he feel um, becoming the next person in charge, if ever he will be the king, and how will he prepare himself to become successful, just like the queen? And lastly, what is your favorite place in your house? Well, obviously I know that a house is just a structure, and whatever factors or whatever things inside of it makes it a home, right? I believe that a home is a collaborative place where family members have the opportunity or the responsibility to impart their opinion, their thoughts and ideas. But we know that during the day we might be with we are with our family members, like in the dining area when we eat together, when we watch in the living area when we watch televisions. But at the end of the day, we know that you'll still be alone in your bedroom, and that's why my most favorite part of the house is my bedroom, because I believe that the bedroom reflects your personality. This is where your preferences, this is where your values, this is where your beliefs and your everything about you is in your room. So however you describe your room reflects your self. So for my bedroom, I can say that it's a combination of a sporty room and musically inclined. You can say that I am musically inclined because I have my piano over there, I have my microphone recording here, and my, of course, laptop as I work. So yeah, so those are the questions. I hope I have given justification and was able to answer intelligently. So yeah.